Now, this is how you can merge PDF files into one using your MacBook. So the method which I like to use for this is using a third-party software called Adobe Acrobat. It is a free PDF manager which you can download on your Mac, and when you install it and open it up, what you can do is to click on the Create button in the tab bar at the top. And when you do this, you have more options, right? So you can create a single PDF file, or you can even choose multiple files. So this is what we're going to go with. And right now you can combine files, create multiple PDF files, and create a portfolio. So up to you to pick which option you want to go with. I'm going to click on the first one, combine files, then tap next, and I can essentially just import multiple different files directly into this software so it can be combined together, right? So it doesn't even necessarily have to be a PDF file, because we can import whichever media we want and turn it into a PDF, but you can also just directly put PDF files here if you wish. After you select them, you can click on Add Files, and they're going to be added in here. So you have it like there. You can reorganize them if you wish. And once you are ready, you can click on Combine, and you essentially have a very long PDF file with all of the files put together, combined into one. So you can then just export it, save it somewhere, or share it in however or whichever way you prefer. And also, that's like a very good approach. But besides this, you can also use an online service for it, where you can essentially just upload your PDF files to a website which will let you merge and combine them together. But it requires uploading files to a different website and using it online, which might work. But yeah, this is not my preferred way of doing this. I'd like to use it through Adobe. So that's me, and that's how I like to use it. But you pick the best option for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. For more tutorials like this one, stay tuned and subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.